Officially. We're up.
No, it's not like
Yeah?
it's not like 27 package never go up on a bike before it have. But it's 27 what size package?
Alright.
Yeah.
Tell them again. Never under.
What you know? Yes. We call them a dog ears. The package are dog ears topper.
Puppy ears.
Yeah, puppy ears on the side. Well, if you ride on a man, then you just circle back and pick it up. Just spin around and pick it up because you don't know how hard go on. What side I ready to tackle today, my boss?
Well, we're touching a Spanish town, Portmore. I'm back in Kingston.
All right, that's I heard.
Right round, one
Yeah.
circle.
What about you?
Eh? Oh, all about. Don't forget.
Yes.
All about. All right.
Man attack the world. One man and a yang yang. Eh? Machine.
Machine for days. Machine for
Look
days.
out. Tap up on your doorstep.
All right.
Eh, you hear the ding dong, you don't know who.
Actually, preview. Give them a little ride out. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll catch a ride out.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? A prank, you know. We just put stuff for sure, you know. Real people, real stuff. Alright. Ready?
I don't think you should take that advice stand before you go over it, you know, brother. Yo, you might take it off at the stand. Machine.
Box more. Now swing to side. Now ready for the room.
Oh, I'm bad.